Imagine that you are a hiring manager scrolling through hundreds of resumes. You finally come across this candidate who is not just qualified but also has an active LinkedIn profile, a professional blog, and who consistently posts insightful content about their field. You also lay hands on a resume of a candidate who has an unfinished LinkedIn profile. Now, who would you likely call for an interview? The first candidate, of course. That's the power of personal branding. I'm going to walk you through how to create a personal brand that sets you apart. Whether you are in tech, healthcare, pharma, marketing, or any other industry, we are going to break it down into 10 simple yet powerful steps. So grab a notebook, sit down, and pay attention. First things first, what exactly is a personal brand? Simply put, your personal brand is how you present yourself to the world. It's a combination of your skills, experiences, values, and personality that makes you, you. It's how people perceive you professionally and, let's be real, even personally. A strong personal brand can help you land your dream job, make connections in your industry, or even get a promotion. Personal branding isn't just for entrepreneurs or influencers. Whether you're a teacher, software developer, or a corporate professional, you have a personal brand. The question is, are you in control of it or are you just leaving it up to chance? If you are serious about your career and need some help to write your resume with respect to the profile summary skills, work experience, etc., then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course. You can take this course at your preferred time and pace. You can access this course from the link given in the description box below. You might be wondering, why should I care about the personal brand? Well, your personal brand is actually your reputation. Sure is the thing. Your personal brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. So, whether you're trying to make a job switch, trying to get a promotion, or even expand your network, having a clear personal brand will set you apart from a sea of competitors. If you want to elevate your professional journey and work with me inside of the career transformation program to enhance your income, then I invite you to fill up a simple application form that is linked in the description box below. Once you submit the application, somebody from my team will get in touch with you. Step 1 to creating your personal brand is to define your unique value proposition or UVP. UVP is what sets you apart from the crowd. What is unique about you? What is your superpower? For example, if you're a project manager, what's your specialty? Are you particularly good at managing complex cross functional teams? Or maybe you excel at handling tight deadlines with ease. Figure out what makes you different and valuable. One trick is to focus on what gets you appreciation at work. What do your colleagues come to you for? That's actually a good indicator of UVP. Now that you've got your UVP, the next step is to find out what is your target audience. Your personal brand is not just about you, it is about who you want to attract. Are you trying to get noticed by recruiters, hiring managers, or clients? Maybe you're aiming to become a thought leader in your industry. Knowing who you are trying to reach will help you tailor your messaging. For example, if you're a digital marketer, then your target audience will be small business owners, and your brand should focus on how you can grow their business using digital strategies. Step 3 is all about creating your online presence. Now, this is crucial in today's world. Whether you like it or not, people are going to Google you before they meet you in person. That's why it is essential that you create digital footprints that represents you in the best possible way. Start by creating or updating your LinkedIn profile. Make sure it's complete with a professional headshot, a catchy headline, and a detailed summary that highlights your UVP. Consider starting a blog or contributing to industry publications. Sharing your thoughts and insights can position you as an expert in your field. If you need more help creating your LinkedIn banner, your headline, the About section, then you can watch this playlist, which is on LinkedIn profile optimization. I will leave a link of this playlist in the description box below and also at the end of this training. Step 4 is all about sharing your expertise. The best way to build your personal brand is to position yourself as an expert in your field. Write articles, create YouTube videos, give talks, or even host webinars. Share tips, trends, and valuable insights related to your industry. For example, if you're a software developer, you could write a blog post about the best coding practices or create a tutorial video on GitHub. This kind of content will not only help others but will also boost your credibility and authority. Step 5 is to leverage storytelling. Facts tell, but stories sell. Now, if you're wondering what to put out as a content, then it has to be your personal story. The best personal brands always tell a compelling story. What's your career story? How did you get to where you are today? What challenges have you overcome? You can create content around these questions. For example, let's say you started out as an entry level data analyst and worked your way up to become a lead data scientist. How did you make that leap? Maybe you took on side projects, gained new skills, or asked for additional responsibilities. Whatever it is, your audience should be able to relate to your personal story when you share it online. Storytelling isn't about making things up, it's about being authentic and relatable. Consistency is the key, which brings us to step number 6. Now, your personal branding isn't something that you build overnight, you build it over time. Don't just post for 1 month on LinkedIn and then disappear for 6 months. Consistency also means regularly engaging with your audience. Share valuable insights, comment on each other's posts, and stay active in your professional community. Speaking of community, step 7 is all about networking. The saying goes that your network is your net worth, and it couldn't be more true when it comes to personal branding. Building relationships with people in your industry helps reinforce your brand. Attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, and engage with peers on LinkedIn. A strong network can open doors to new opportunities and give you access to insider knowledge that can help shape your brand. Next, seek feedback and improve. This is step 8. Your personal brand is always evolving. Ask for feedback from colleagues, co workers, and mentors. What do they think about your brand? Are you coming across the way you want to? Use this feedback to fine tune your messaging and your online presence. It's like continuously updating your resume, except it's your whole professional persona. Step 9 is all about authenticity. Authenticity is what exactly will set you apart. Be true to who you are and what you want to stand for. Don't try to be someone you are not just to fit into a particular mold. For example, if you're naturally more introverted, that's okay. Your personal brand can reflect that you are thoughtful, detail oriented, and analytical. You don't have to pretend to be the loudest person in the room to be noticed. Last but not the least, be patient and remain persistent. Now, personal branding, as I said earlier, cannot be built overnight. Building a strong personal brand takes time. You will need to keep refining, engaging, and growing your brand consistently. Don't get discouraged if you don't see the results immediately. Over time, your efforts will pay off. I started seeing results after 6 or 7 months of posting consistently on LinkedIn. If you're serious about your career and are ready to kickstart the job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course with the link given in the description box below. Again, you can take this course at your preferred time and pace. So far in this training, you have learned 10 powerful steps to create your personal branding that will set you apart in any industry. Now, I understand your professional journey could be long and frustrating, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you are informed whenever a new video is published. If you want to revamp your LinkedIn profile, then click on this playlist next. Thank you for watching this training, and I will see you in this one next. Bye bye.